Welcome. I hope everybody is excited for the lesson. I am so excited to be converting kilometers to meters. Let's go to the pen and start playing with the pen tool. Okay. 4.5 kilometers. Kilometers are huge. They're like miles. Meters is like a meter stick. It's not that big. So we need, this number is going to be way bigger than 4.5. So 4.5, whatever the number is, you just times 1,000 to get to meters. Meter is the standard unit of measurement in metric. It's like that one in the middle. So it is like the middle guy. If you think of there's a lot of different units, but the one that we're going to use the most is, there's just a few of them. Kilogram, gram, and milligram. But the prefix kilo, unit, it could be gram, meter, there could be a lot of them. And then milli. Milli is 1,000th of a gram, and the gram is 1,000th of a kilogram. So that's how you can remember. There's a bunch of them in here between, but luckily you don't have to know them yet. Let's see. So back to, where was I? Hold on, I need to get a Tic Tac. That one fell on the floor under my desk. Maybe somebody can get that later if they want. Oh, it'd be way past the 3-second rule. Never mind. That's gross. Okay, let's see. I forgot what I was going to say. I know it was something math related. Oh, yeah. So 4.5 times 1,000. You would just add 3 zeros. So 45, 0, 0, 0. Now, you can also think of it as moving the decimal. 4.5. And you got to have zeros here to make it more understandable. Although you don't need to necessarily. 4.5, now you're making a bigger number, so we're going this way. You move it over 1, that's 10, 100, 1,000. Whoops, I had too many zeros up here. So, it'd be 4.500. 4.500. Let's put it in there. Well, the decimal will be over here now. So 450. There we go. Okay, magic erase. Hopefully you got all that, people. You're supposed to be doing this on your whiteboards. I can see into the future, and right now I see 3 of you zoned out. So, other Mr. Zeger, please check on the 3 zoned out people. Thank you. Oh, I guess it could be a substitute, but it's, again, I could see in the future, and it's Mr. Zeger, so I know there's not a sub. All right, let's figure out another one to do. Find a hard one. This one would take way too long. What else we got? Let's do another one on the front page. Pints to quarts. Pints to quarts. Okay, so if you remember the big G, Kingdom of G, you remember that there is 2 pints for every quart, because the queen had 2 children, a prince and a princess, and each of those children had 2 cats. So 4 cats in a quart. Unless they're donut size, and then it would be like 1 cat, because it's like the same weight as 4 cats. But donut's unusual. Anyways, how many pints are in 16.5? Well, I always do this, guys. Ready? Watch. 1 quart. I need to get like the basic stuff down. and then, oh, that's a horrible equal sign. Whoops. Attendance. I already did attendance. 1 quart equals 2 pints. Or you could write it as 2 pints equals 1 quart. That's a Q. I don't know what that is. We're going to make it a T. Quart. Sorry, I was running out of room. So 2 pints equals a quart. Let me tidy that up. I'll be right back. Okay, so 2 pints equals a quart. Let's move that over a little bit. Okay. So how many quarts in 16? So we times 2 by 16.5. Well, let's do it. 2 times 16.5. Let's see. I can not. There we go. Let's do blue. 16.5 times 2 equals, and we'll solve it in green. 2 times 5 is 10. 2 times 6 is 12, plus 1 is 13. 2 times 1 is 2, plus 1 is 3. Now we had one decimal that we move out, so at the end, we've got to put them in. Whoop! There he goes. So it's 33. Look at your conversion chart thingy that I gave everyone. If you're at home, you can just Google, just type in how many pints in 1 quart, and that Google will tell you 2. You can also do that for any math problem, but please don't, because you've got to show your work. So if you just have the answer, I'm going to say that doesn't count. And so will every other teacher in the history of school. All right, I got to go. You guys are back from specials, so I'm going to go pick you up after I play with my levitating magnets for a few more minutes.